Have you ever wondered how to get your IRS transcripts from the government directly? If you could get those transcripts, sometimes they'll help you get your W-2s, your 1099s that you've lost, or even show you how much you owe for a particular year. So I thought I'd make this video and show you how to do it. This is how I always do it, is I start at, in this case, I'm using DuckDuckGo, but it's just like Google. Google Get IRS Transcripts. You go to this site right here called Get Transcript from the IRS. You scroll on down to Get Transcript Online. And then at some point, you're going to come to a screen that shows ID.me. So I was logged in there. So you sign in with ID.me. You're going to have to sign up for an account if you don't have one. And in that case, you would click on this link right here. And you go through and you have to verify your identity with your driver's license and whatnot. But after that is created, that ID.me account is created, you click this button right here, and it's going to ask to send a text. So now we're in, it says you're now returning to the Internal Revenue Service. Select a reason you need a transcript. In this case, I would say probably federal tax, right? You won't have a customer file number unless you've had ID theft problems in the past. Then you click go, and here it can ask you, a return transcript is kind of like a transcript of your tax return. An account transcript is kind of like a credit card statement, and each year under your social security number is a separate credit card statement or a separate account. Wage and income transcripts are your W-2s, 1099s, all those information type returns that you get. And a record of account transcript is very much like an account transcript. I can't tell you exactly what the difference is. It says right here, record of account transcripts combine the information from return and account transcripts. I usually ask for the account transcript and the wage and income transcripts. Then you would click on a particular year, and hopefully, so anyway, that's how you get your own transcripts from the IRS. The longest thing, the most difficult thing that you're going to do here is setting up your ID.me account.